Most runners fail their half marathon because they download a rigid 12-week PDF that shatters the moment real life happens. Most half marathon plans fail the second life gets busy. A rigid 12-week PDF doesn't care about your schedule, which is why you need a flexible framework instead. A sustainable half marathon block rests on 3 pillars: easy aerobic volume, a weekly long run, and exactly 1 quality session if you only have time to train 3 hours a week. These are the non-negotiable blocks that actually move the needle for race day. Let's look at a 3-day week. The minimum effective dose for busy adults. You do 1 45-minute easy run, 1 quality session like threshold intervals, and your weekend long run. It's highly effective, provided you don't race your easy run. What if you want to run 4 or 5 days? Here's the part most people miss. You simply add easy 30 to 45-minute aerobic runs. You do not add another track workout. More volume builds your aerobic engine. More intensity just builds fatigue. I see this constantly. Someone bumps up to 5 running days and immediately throws in a second speed session. For recreational runners, that's a fast track to shin splints. Your 8 to 12 weeks should progress in 3 distinct phases. First, build routine consistency. Second, extend the long run to build structural endurance. Finally, in the last month, sharpen your specific half-marathon race pace. Don't rush this sequence. During that middle phase, focus on time on feet rather than exact mileage. Running for 90 minutes, easy, achieves the exact same physiological adaptation, regardless of your pace. Fatigue masks fitness, so your graph shouldn't just go up forever. Every 3rd or 4th week must be a down week. Drop your total volume by 20 to 30%. But keep the intensity the same. This is when adaptation actually happens. Here is the cardinal sin of training: adding speed work, extending your long run, and bumping total mileage all in the same week. Progress 1 single variable at a time. Let's build your practical weekly template. Put the long run on your most open day, usually Sunday. Place the quality session on Wednesday, giving you 72 hours of buffer. Fill the remaining days with easy volume, rest, or strength training. If real life strikes and you miss a Tuesday run, let it go. Never cram missed miles into Thursday. The framework survives a missed day. Cramming destroys it entirely. Your homework: draft your next month using this framework. Lock in your long run and 1 quality session per week. Leave the remaining days fully adaptable to your life. Build the framework, and the miles will follow.